I'm going to share with you what's critical to consume to support collagen health, not just to strengthen your skin, but every layer of your body. I truly believe it's important to note that collagen slowly renews over several months if your body contains the right building blocks, supportive nutrients, and regulators. It's also critical to understand that skin is the most superficial layer that needs collagen, yet every layer underneath the skin depends on collagen health as well. The only difference is the collagen content in each one of those layers. And we talk about this in a very detail, I would say, and we give you the exact breakdown on our online class, and I highly invite you to go and check it out. What's unique about each of the body layers is that it needs different building blocks and other supportive nutrients to simply stay healthy. Therefore, the first question you really need to ask is how collagen is made, and then you will understand how can you eat to support optimal collagen health. So in the years of research that Resync team has conducted, we identified, I would say, 3 critical steps of what you need to eat to affect the collagen in your skin and connective tissues underneath. And the first are the fundamental amino acids, the building blocks. The distribution of these building blocks depends on each tissue. Yet, essentially, you need to have the full spread of amino acids to build collagen. And whey protein doesn't provide you with key amino acids like hydroxyproline, hydroxylysine, and also glycine is very low in whey, and it's a key amino acid for your tendons and your ligaments health. And you need all of those amino acids to strengthen your collagen, to cross-link it in ways that either promotes resiliency or its ability to stretch. So you have to have those building blocks, those amino acids, which can come, for example, in a form of collagen peptides, and you probably have heard of that, right? However, there are other building blocks you need to make collagen, like calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. That's the first step of what you must have to make collagen. The next step that we would consider in how your nutrition affects how your collagen is made are those supportive nutrients, those cofactors and supporting nutrients that allow your body to build and maintain your collagen. For example, vitamin C, iron, and copper. Yet there is more and other elements that you need to pay attention to. And then we need to get into a more extensive landscape, the antioxidants and inflammatory regulators. And also, what's your body pH? What is your weight status? The presence of any potential chronic conditions, or how many antioxidants you are eating on a regular basis. There are so many different things that go into how the whole process of making collagen is regulated, and it's not as straightforward as eating clean, or I would say just taking a white powder of collagen protein in itself. It doesn't work this way. And as I mentioned earlier, at Resync we created an online class. Everything you really need to know about collagen and what nutrients you need to make it. It's free. It's there for you. You can watch it at your own convenience in the comfort of your own home or even office. So I invite you to check the link in the description to get directly to it. It also, I want to make sure I emphasize, it also includes 3 nutrient-dense recipes that support the health of every layer of your body, not just the skin. I know you will appreciate it. I know you will enjoy the depth of information we share with you. Don't forget to like our channel, subscribe to our page for the latest research, and visit resyncproducts.com. I hope it was short, to the point, you enjoy it. Have a day full of joy and energy.